hello, didn't see you there. It is me, Session. Yes, I am still the Salt and the Snacks, and you are here because you want to know about the stock market, you want to know about option plays. I know, because you message me every day about it. And you want to know what the hell's going on in the stock market with the recession, with the economy. I know. So what I'm going to be doing is every week, we're going to be doing something different by showing you what's going on in the market, what's going on in the world. But I'm not going to do it alone. I'm going to have some of my friends help me and indicate what's going on, and I'm going to tag their names on the screen so that way everybody eats. And sometimes a lot of people might know more than you. So the purpose of being a leader is to put the right pieces in place and hire the right people. So I didn't hire these people. I just found information on the internet that I believe will help you and describe what's going on in this market. We're dealing with a lot of stuff, everything from reparation to huge decreases in the S&P. Apple's allowed on Twitter. They're not advertising on Twitter. There's a lot of stuff happening. They're moving over to India. There's a ton happening. So I'm going to let my friends start off and tell you what's going on first. But make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video where we give out the option plays of the week. Let's get it.
Here's your December market update. Powell told us that he is going to be less restrictive, cause the markets to rally. Now, we closed above the 200 daily moving average, which the S&P 500 has not done since the end of March, early April. Still a bear market rally, the stopping point at this downwards trend line. Here's what we're looking for. Powell says the words labor market imbalance all too often. It is so important to pay attention to economic data related to the job market right now. Wednesday, December 7th, got productivity and costs. We need to see increased productivity, lower costs. Of course, every Thursday at 8:30 a.m., we see jobless claims. We unfortunately want to see those go up. December 13th, we have CPI, which is going to tell us if inflation is indeed coming down. We cannot afford any surprises here. Then the big market moving event is December 14th. Powell is going to tell us how much he's going to raise interest rates by. We expect him to only do 50 basis points. You can use the CME tool to see market projections of interest rate hikes. It's super easy. More importantly, we're going to have a press conference where he will tell us the state of the market and if indeed he may be slowing down. Remember, the Fed's tools can only tackle the demand side, specifically consumer demand. There is a labor supply issue, meaning there are not enough workers to fill all of those job openings. This is where fiscal policy really needs to step in. There's an immigration policy called the Eagles Act, which is gridlocked right now, but it will basically increase HB1 visas, percentage basis by country, and that will give us more labor supply. If that goes through, the market will rally. Comment with your December expectations, like and follow for more.
What's up, Moneyline? Happy Monday. It's your main man, Diavante, here to give you a quick update on what moved the markets last week and what I look forward to in the markets this week. As we're heading into the last month of the year, we're seeing some good news when it comes into the market. The S&P and the Dow Jones have had back-to-back positive months. This has been the first time that's happened since July and August of 2021. So in the news last week, the real deal is moving along as the House has agreed to approve a tentative labor agreement averting a potential strike by the work, and the Senate approved it with the 85-15 bipartisan vote. Boeing share continued their ascent as they are now 62% above their yearly lows. The stock popped on Friday as news broke that they are nearing a deal with United Airlines for 100 Dreamliners to overhaul their fleet. Also last week, CrowdStrike beat their earnings, but the shares dropped around 20% after giving lighter guidance of their fourth quarter revenue. As for this week, there's a rare quiet week ahead as there is no Fed speakers, no key economic indicators, or no large earnings being reported. It's important to watch out for any developments in China as they potentially roll back their zero strict COVID policies. After large-scale protests, people are optimistic that China's government may be changing its course. With the weather getting colder, it is officially soup season as Campbell's Soup is expected to report their earnings as well as Lululemon and Oracle. That's it for today, Moneyline. Be sure to stay in the know with the news and market movements by adding stocks and ETFs to your watch list in the Moneyline app. I'm your main man, Diavante, and I will see you next week.
Now again, what I'm going to be providing you is the option plays of the week. And the option plays of the week, I found them. This is public information. You can choose your sources. I got mine. I use my homies on Twitter, Instagram, and some people that I know that actually trade. But what I'm going to be showing you is some of the most traded, high volume, call options, put options that exist. These are the most purchased. I didn't make this shit up. I just go through and pick ones that I believe align and that are under $200 so my audience can enjoy. At first, we have Apple, and what they want you to do is at December 9th, so this is short, we have to get to this one ASAP, if you decide to do it. I'm not your financial advisor. This is an Apple $145 call for expiration December the 9th. So if we go ahead and fill that, you'll see there's only $102. I'm really dropping you gems. So if you believe that Apple's gonna go up to $146.02, that's the break-even price. If you believe Apple's gonna go up by the night, this will be one for you. These are short calls this week, but again, these are the most traded. Session didn't make them up. I'm just reporting what's being the most traded, so you can have an idea of what to invest in. So first, this is a $145 Apple call, expiration December 9th. At one of the second most traded and purchased calls that exist is $150 Apple. You see, we didn't leave Apple, but the thing about this one is that this one is 16 bucks. Now, it is a bit more of a flyer. They're predicting in the next 3 days, or really 2, because I'm recording this after the market's closed. So they believe in the next 48 to 72 hours that Apple will go over $150. If you believe in this and you have the $16 that it costs for the expiration of December 9th date, you can purchase this one. I'm not here to tell you what to do. It's affordable and it's the same call we had, it's just a bit higher. Let me know in the comments what you think of this option call. Again, this one is, I guess, a bit more affordable, but the $100 one is a bit more sure because it has to go further up. The price of the stock has to go further up for you to get profit. This one is going to take you to get almost $150.20 just for you to start breaking profit, but it is $16. So that is the second option play of the day. Okay, and last but certainly not least, we have a ticker symbol, LAZR. This I found yesterday as one of the most purchased option trades. So here we go. You see it's $7.35. Having a tough week, just like most of the stocks. The S&P is down. There's a lot of stuff going on, as we discussed earlier. As you see over the last few months, it's been tough. But there's been some new sentiment that has come out, and a lot of investors are bullish on this. LAZR, which is Lazar, or Luminar Technologies, is an autonomous vehicle sensor and LiDAR technology company. And they deal directly with the products that address the requirements of the global automotive OEM and technology company for autonomous driving. So what I take from that is they do something special with autonomous driving, and we know that that's the future because they want to control everything you do. Elon Musk and them are putting chips in your brain, they're putting chips in the cars, they're putting chips in outer space, they're doing everything. They don't want you to have the ability to do anything. So, you see, based on that pop-up right there, this is one of the most purchased call options. So with this one, this is an $8.50. With this one, this is an $8.50 call. You press it for December the 9th expiration. All of these are short calls, people. These are short ones. I didn't pick them. These are the most traded. Again, I'm not your financial advisor. You see, this is $7. $7. So in the comments, there's no need to be upset about a $7 option, okay? I didn't make it. I purchased. I'm just showing you. Here it is. LAZR, they believe it to go up $8.57. You have to do your due diligence to see if Luminar Technologies, Apple, if you believe in these companies. All I'm doing is giving you some options of what, no pun intended, of what's out here, what's available. But I do love you. I pray you enjoy these style videos. This is The Money Market. This is a new show or segment I'm going to be having on my channel. I love you. You can attract anything you want in this world. You feel me? Make sure you check us out on TikTok. Stay tuned here on YouTube because we're uploading damn near every day. Shorts every day, long-term videos or long-tail videos every other day. I love you. Have an amazing day. Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. Get you some paper. You did.